Did you know a missing person once called in their own location 3 days after they died? Detective Lisa Park got an anonymous tip about missing college student Jake Morrison. The caller knew exactly where to find him. Check the old Miller warehouse, 47 steps from the north entrance behind the blue barrels. They were right. But the caller knew more. Jake's exact outfit, what was in his backpack, even the song on his headphones. Details never released to the public. Police traced the call to a payphone outside Jake's dorm. Security footage showed who made the call. It was Jake himself. But here's the impossible part. The call came in 3 days after Jake's official disappearance. The timestamp on his death certificate shows he died before the call was made. So how did a dead man call in his own location? And how did he know details only the killer would know? Follow for more mysteries that will keep you awake at night.